Quick Mode offers a range of helpful edits and features, but it has some limitations. If you're looking to make additional edits, like editing a billing address or changing an order name, you can perform these edits in Advanced Mode. Here's how to access Advanced Mode if you're in Quick Mode. Navigate to the switch in the top right corner labeled Edit Mode Quick. Click the switch. You'll see that you're now on a page with a slightly different background. This is Advanced Mode. Here, you have access to a wider variety of additional edits, including changing billing addresses, editing product taxes and weights, rearranging line items, adjusting shipping rates, and more. To edit in Advanced Mode, make any available edit. For this example, I'm going to edit the billing address. Just click the Edit button, input the new information, and save changes. Then save the order. You can see here that your edit has been saved. If you navigate back to your order list, you'll see how Advanced Mode saves orders. To bypass platform limitations in Shopify, Advanced Mode performs a save as that cancels your original order and applies the original payment to a newly edited version of your order. And that's it. If you have any additional questions, feel free to reach out to us at support@editorder.net.